All right, so here I've got this UFO LED garage like high bay light. Now, this thing is pretty bright, and I'm excited to show you like the full unboxing, first steps from the first to last kind of step. But really, honestly, this is made for a bit of a higher garage, but I put it in my garage, and my garage isn't a high bay garage at all. So here's the instructions. Obviously, pretty simple that way. This is where you get the hook to actually attach the light, and then that's like a safety wire, just in case the hook gives out or something. And then here's the light itself, and obviously I'm gonna get the plastic off here real soon, but you can see it's got quite a bit of metal on the sides of it, and you can see how like deep the metal is on there. So it's got a lot of airflow and like can dissipate the heat from those fins on the top there, so you're not gonna be overdoing the heat on the actual light itself. This thing, it's hard to tell in the video here, but it is so bright. So anyway, you can this is where you're gonna wire it up, and I've actually got a plug from, like, you can get it from a hardware store, but I'm actually just gonna put a plug in on the end of it there, so I can just plug it into any outlet that I want to. So you can do that. And then here's just a quick time lapse. It was super simple to install. Obviously there's the hook on top. I'm gonna pause it here for a sec. So there's the hook on top, and then if you look right here, right there, I'm actually opening up the top of it, so you can change the brightness of it on the top. There's 3 different settings. You just click those whichever way you need to. And yeah, so I mean, it was super simple. I just put the plug in on the end of it, or you can wire it directly into your electrical however you like. I just decided to do the plug because it was easy and I could move it if I needed to. And then it's like so hard to tell how bright it actually is in this video, but it is very bright, very, very bright. Okay, so I wanted to show you a little bit of this too. Now, I did put a deflector on this, but I want to show you based off of this, like what the actual like brightness of it is. So this is in the middle of the day, so you can tell it's already bright in there. But then when you turn this on, it makes everything else around it look dark, which means this thing is incredibly bright. So I'm going to kind of fast forward a little bit here, and you can see all the LEDs in here. I swear I was worried that my phone was gonna, like, the camera was gonna be burned out because of how bright it is. And then this is just a good sense right here. You can kind of see, like, with it on there, how bright this is. And then you'll notice that it like kind of goes. So the deflector that I did put on it made it go a little bit more wide. So if you don't have a deflector, it's gonna be more straight down kind of thing. And I did notice that without the deflector. But you can see, I mean, this is like the middle of the day, and it's bright. Like, anyway, it definitely brightened up quite a bit, and you could see how much light it actually added. And it's funny, my wife now is like, holy cow, it's so bright. So she's like, it's so much for her, but I love it because I actually can see the things I'm doing in my garage when I'm working on and different things like that. So anyway, that's a quick look at it. I'm gonna go back here. That's a quick look at the actual light itself. They did gift this to me so that I could do this video for you, but honestly, my opinion on it is super bright, super well worth it, very well built. It feels very solid, it feels solid too. Highly recommend you grab some if you're looking to really add some light to your garage. It was pretty sweet, so highly recommended. Great product. I've been enjoying it. I've had it for a couple weeks off and on that I've been using it now, and it's been amazing. So great addition. You'll enjoy it.